In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can fix the problem where your OBS will stop streaming or stop recording by itself automatically. So to get around this, what we need to do first of all is we need to open up OBS, and then once we are on the main OBS homepage, you want to go to the bottom right hand corner, click on settings. And then from here, as you can see, you will then get this pop-up. Now, once we get this pop-up, go to the left-hand side bar here, scroll down until you see the option for hotkeys. And then what you will notice now is you will see an option for start streaming, stop streaming, start recording, and stop recording. Now, I had the problem where OBS would stop streaming or stop recording randomly. Now, what was happening to me is that something was here in the hotkeys. So for example, stop streaming, we could have this as an hotkey for S. Now, once you do this, every time you click on S, it will then stop the stream or stop the recording. Now, you want to go into here, you want to click on this icon if there is anything in this to clear it. And then once you have done that, you can then click on OK. And then if we go back in here to check this, go back to hotkeys, as you can see, this is now blank. And whenever you're using your keyboard or when you are streaming or recording, that won't now stop your stream or recording. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.